Hyper Horizon. Have you ever looked at a yacht and wondered why some feel ordinary, while others instantly look powerful, modern, and almost impossible to ignore? Or why certain yachts glide smoothly on long trips, while others struggle with comfort and stability? Questions like these reveal what makes the idea of Hyper Horizon so appealing. Even though no exact yacht carries this name, Horizon Yachts comes closest to what Hyper Horizon represents. Founded in 1987 in Kaohsiung, Taiwan, Horizon has become one of the largest luxury motor yacht builders in the world. Their facilities cover 1 million square feet, and each one follows strict ISO 9001 standards to ensure quality. Horizon specializes in yachts ranging from 68 feet to 140 feet. Their models are known for elegant styling, advanced composite construction, and top-level comfort. For 13 straight years, they won the award for Best Asian Motor Yacht Builder, proving their commitment to excellence. What truly matches the Hyper Horizon theme is their focus on power, customization, and long-distance performance. Their Tri-Deck P Series, for example, brings superyacht comfort, strong engineering, and the ability to tailor almost every detail to the owner's needs. From wide cabins to strong hull designs, these yachts offer both beauty and reliable handling on open water. The Hyper Horizon idea expresses exactly what Horizon Yachts has built over decades: luxury, strength, and a forward-looking design style that gives owners confidence on long journeys. These yachts show what happens when engineering, elegance, and performance work together. Call to action. If you want to see how far modern yacht design has come, explore Horizon Yachts and discover why the Hyper Horizon concept captures the next level of luxury cruising.